there where you walked out.
Just the first time over, just really want to get as flat as you can.
All right, come on. Let's get him going.